In Blender we can use objects as light. Here's how to do it. First, press A to select all objects. Then press Del to delete them. Add a plane to the scene. Press S, then drag your mouse to enlarge it a bit. Change the render engine to cycle. Change viewport shading to render. Good. Then add a sphere to the scene. Press S and drag your mouse to scale it down. Right-click and select Shade Smooth to smooth out the shading. Press Ctrl 2 to smooth out the geometry. Now, add material to the sphere. Here. Change the color of the emission to something other than black. You can change the strength here. Change the world value to 0. Turn off all grid lines. Select the sphere. Right-click, then select Duplicate Objects. Right-click to send the new sphere back to its source. Then drag it out. Yes. Now there are two spheres using the same material. Click the icon with this number 2 to exit sharing. Yes. Now, we can change the light color for the new sphere. That's it. It's very simple like that. Using the Blender Kit add-on, try adding textures to the plane. Or add some objects to the scene. Don't think too much. You can play with it.